Hello friends, today I'm here to for a small chit chat regarding MAC's permanent 3-phase powders if you wanna buy your first one, and if you have a combination to oily skin like me. I have a Studio Fix foundation by MAC, and then I have Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC, and then a blotch powder. So these are the three powders, the basic powders if you need to start off with your MAC purchase. I have combination to oily skin and I stay in Mumbai. It's really humid here. So first thing I need to take care of is the oiliness which comes on my face after a few hours as the day goes by. So I bought my first powder from MAC, which was MAC's blotch powder. It comes in two forms. A loose and pressed one. The time when I went for my first purchase of this thing, they don't have loose powder, so I thought, okay, fine, I'll buy a pressed one. It's easy to carry around, and there is this small sponge applicator which comes with this one, and they have this mirror also in it, so it's good to carry around in your purse. It takes care of your oiliness, and I really like this one. If you have combination to oily skin, do buy this MAC blotch powder. It comes for nearly, I think, 1200 loose and pressed one. I have it in medium dark, and for my foundation, as I said, I have combination to oily skin. I didn't want to buy the liquid one, so I opted for Studio Fix foundation by MAC. I am NC35 in this, and this also comes with a mirror and a separate holder to keep your sponge. I don't use it much. My friend said you can use it wet also. I have never tried it, but if you want, you can just use it like as it is or maybe wet. This is the color. It does matches my skin. It's really nice if I need a little bit of foundation. It gives you medium coverage, not full coverage. For that, I like to use my concealer Select Cover Up. So for my personal suggestion is go for blotch powder first if you have combination to oily skin, and then a Studio Fix if you need a foundation, that too in a pressed form. It's really easy to carry around, no need for any brush or any liquid or some spray, so it's really easy to carry around, doesn't clog your pores. It gives me nice the coverage I want. I'm satisfied with that. And then here is third powder which I like from MAC. It is the Mineralized Skin Finish. I have it in medium plus, and this one blotch powder is medium dark. I don't know why she gave me dark. Okay, medium dark. So Mineralized Skin Finish is actually, see how messy it is, isn't it? It's really messy. I don't think there is any use of buying this thing if you have a foundation and a blotch powder, but okay, it's a crazy stuff, doesn't give you much coverage, just a little bit of glow you can say. But if you have oily skin, don't opt for this one. You'll just find it too messy, too oily for your skin. If you have dry skin or combination to dry or oily skin, you can see that. But for oily skin girls, don't ever buy Mineralized Skin Finish. They are just too horrible for that. For me, I don't find it much useful, but it's okay. It's good to have MAC, good best thing with you. But then again, it doesn't do much to my face. Okay, fine, I just apply my moisturizer and then this, I'm good to go. Doesn't give me any coverage. It's very sheer on your face. If you like that no makeup look, you can opt for this. It's good. It comes for 1400. MAC Studio Fix is for 1600, and blotch powder is for 1200. So these are the three permanent ones. In my next post, I'll be sharing with you MAC Beauty Powder. They are really good options to give you a very nice glow on your face. MAC is coming up with the new collection, and they have beauty powders in that, new beauty powders. So I'll show you what beauty powders are and how you can use them in your makeup routine. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. It was very small, but just to show my 3 powders which I love from MAC. Blotch powder number 1, Pseudofix, very good. Brilla Skin Finish is this crazy stuff. If you have 1400 rupees, just buy that, otherwise don't buy it. I don't regret buying it, but it's okay. It's good to have good things around. Thank you. Bye bye.